Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of USD JPY and you can see I'm in the 4 hours time frame. And if you watch my previous videos on USD JPY, then you know pretty well what I'm going to say. Okay, so we know it very well that market fell, market went up, faced resistance here, okay, came down, okay, tried to go up again, but faced resistance again at this particular price level, okay. And on the downside, we have got this support level. Now let me take you to the weekly time frame, okay, because I'm a fan of multiple time frame analysis, multi-time frame analysis, so which gives me a better outlook. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame, and we can see that this week market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Okay, and actually it's like a spinning top kind of a pattern with price rejection from above and price rejection from below. Previous week market formed a green candle. Okay, before that market formed a red candle. Overall, we can see that market is in the range. Okay, there is not much upward movement or downward movement, but one thing that we need to focus here is that we can see that there is a resistance. Okay, there is a resistance on the weekly chart and market is trying to cross the resistance for last 3 weeks and market is unable to cross the resistance. Okay, and that level is 109.71. Market is trying to cross this resistance for the last 3 weeks and market is unable to do so. Okay, so from the weekly chart we have a resistance, and now let's switch to our 4 hours time frame and see what should be a strategy then. Strategy is simple. Okay, strategy is simple because we can see that there is not much movement in the market, and as I always say, okay, you should always look for the area of value so that your risk to reward ratio matches. Okay, in this case our area of value, okay, will be either at this resistance level or at this support level, and right now you can see that market is trading in the middle. So if you go for a buy order here, okay, your stop loss will be here, your take profit target will be here, so your risk to reward ratio does not match. On the other hand, if you short the market here, okay, if you go for shorting of the market here, shorting opportunities here, your stop loss will be here and your take profit target will be here. Still your risk to reward ratio does not match, and we can see that right now market is in a range, and I have already shown you clearly on the weekly chart how important or crucial this resistance level is. 109.71. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, our strategy is simple. Wait for the market to come to you. As I always say, do not chase the market, do not go against the trading discipline. Wait for the market to come to you. Right now market is in the middle, so and your risk to reward ratio is also not in your favor, so therefore no point of trading here. Okay, wait for the market either to come to the support zone or to the resistance zone. Let's say market comes down to this support zone. We can see that this level 108.31, okay, this level has provided support to the market 3 times. Therefore, there is a good amount of possibility that when market will be coming down to this particular level, it will provide support. So once market comes down to this level, just observe the price. If you see that price is getting the required support again, 108.31 is a valid support. It is providing the support to the market. Okay, market is about to bounce from here. Then you can go for a buy order at this level. Okay, then you can go for a buy order. Easily you can go for a buy order once market bounces from here. On the other hand, if market goes up from here, then when market will be reaching this particular level 109.71 level, again you need to observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near this 109.71 level, If you see the price is trembling, price is scared, then it will be a clear indication to us that yes, sellers are still present in the market and they are not allowing the market to go up. Once you see the market is about to reverse from here, then you can go for shorting the market. You'll get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star or price rejection from above or a red candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, it is still a valid resistance, you can short the market at this level. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, okay, then do not buy today is 20th, okay, let the week pass by because this level is a crucial resistance. Therefore, wait for the market to settle above this level, okay. If market crosses this level, then we'll be going for buying opportunities next week or the coming week. But as of now, if market crosses this particular level, we will wait for the market to settle above this level. We will wait for the market to make this resistance as the support. Let the resistance become the support. Then only we will be going for buying opportunity in the next coming week. Okay. So no trading call if market crosses this level. Otherwise, if you find market in this level or this level, you know what to do. I have already told you. Hopefully you have understood. This is it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow and do subscribe.